Hey, I'm Joe with RevZilla, and today we're taking a look at the Pro Taper XPS levers available at RevZilla.com. Pro Taper got started in California in the early 90s and was the first manufacturer of an oversized dirt bike handlebar without a crossbar. And they continue to bring innovative products to the dirt world, like these levers here. What these levers are upgraded levers for dirt bikes that allow the lever to flex and move out of the way in the event of a crash to prevent them from breaking. XPS stands for cross pivoting system. So we'll get into the details of that in just a second. So as far as pricing goes, they come in around the $70 mark, but don't forget RevZilla does offer that price match policy. So if you do find them for less elsewhere, we're happy to get you the best price possible. When it comes to fitment, you'll need to enter your bike into RevZilla's Bike Finder with your year, make, and model because these are bike specific. So once you get your bike in our Bike Finder, you'll see what options we carry for your machine. So as far as construction goes, it's 6061 T6 aluminum. The blade itself is forged, and then you'll see the clevis mount itself is CNC machined for a really, really precise fit. These are compatible with the factory master cylinders that are on your bike. So if you have a hydraulic brake and clutch, those will stay, and then you'll just replace the levers with these guys. So what really sets these apart from stock levers, now a lot of stock levers now will flex forward out of the way in the event of a spill or in case you're in a crash, it doesn't hurt your hand. So these do that, of course. They'll flex forward 90 degrees, but these also flex upward and downward 180 degrees total. So they'll flex up 90 and down 90. So it's tough to do by hand. I'm going to put them on a bike so that we can take a look at how they go up and down. But really, the idea of them going up and down like that is to prevent them from being broken or bent during a crash. So then you can just pop them right back into place and get on with your ride. I don't know how many races and rides of mine personally have been ended early from broken levers, but it is a big drag. It's definitely a bummer way to end a ride or a race early. The other thing that's cool is that they have a big adjustment range here. So these adjust 20 millimeters closer to the bar and away from the bar to really dial in the fit so that it feels good with your hand. Depending on the size of your hand or the kind of gloves you're wearing, you can move this in and out really easily. I personally, if I hop on a friend's bike or I'm riding a different bike than usual, I will adjust the levers right away just to make sure that the levers are right where I expect them to be. Also included are rubber dust guards to keep dirt, dust, and debris out of the cross-pivoting system to ensure that it works properly in the event of a crash. So you can see a nice Pro Taper branded one here, and then there's the other one here that goes over the pivoting system. But when it comes to installation, you're looking at only about maybe 5 to 10 minutes per side. It's a good opportunity to make sure everything is nice and cleaned, make sure your pivot is cleaned and lubricated, throw a little Loctite on that pivot bolt, make sure that nothing comes loose while your bike's vibrating out on the trail. What's also cool is that Pro Taper offers a lifetime warranty. So if you do find a way to break or bend these levers, Pro Taper's got your back. As always, I think Pro Taper knocked it out of the park with these levers, but if you'd like to see what other riders have to say, click the info button on your desktop or mobile device to read other rider reviews. And as always, if you have any questions about these or anything else you see on our website, give our Gear Geeks a shout at 877-792-9455 or shoot an email to cs@revzilla.com. Thanks for watching our video today about the Pro Taper XPS levers. I'm Joe, and I'll see you next time.